Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and tonight I'm recording from my Franny's house. That's my grandmother. She recently had a knee replacement. If you're new to the channel, you may not know kind of the backstory there. I am helping to take care of her as she's recovering. Today was her first day at outpatient physical therapy, and she absolutely blew it out of the water. She did awesome. She's 81 years old, and they were very surprised at how well she's doing, how agile she is. She is absolutely recovering like a trooper. She's taken everything in strides, and she is just doing wonderful. I couldn't be more proud of her. My daughter and I are taking turns with my aunt to stay with her and care for her as she's recovering. So today we drove her for the first time there. It was quite an experience just seeing how she did and bringing her home, talking with her afterward. We're going to start doing ice more times a day to help keep that swelling down. But today was also a very special day because her sister came to visit. And they don't get to see each other very often. And because my great aunt has some hearing issues, they don't talk on the phone as often as they would like because they aren't able to easily communicate. And so she came for a visit today, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful to watch them together, but it was also kind of sad. Her daughter had brought her, that's my second cousin, and we were chit-chatting while they were on the porch, and we talked about how it was beautiful to see them together, but it was also kind of sad. They're the last two sisters left. There were, I always forget if it's 11 or 13 children, but they had a big family growing up. And they're the last two sisters, and it was just really sad, but beautiful to see them together, to see them just reminiscing and holding hands and walking together, and it made me think about how short life really is. During their visit, I remember my great aunt saying that their bodies just don't move like they used to, and my Franny said, nope, we're all spent. And then after she left, Franny said, well, it's happening. I said, what? Well, baby, soon my generation will be gone. Your parents will move up, you'll become them, and one day your little sunshine is going to be a mama too. And it just comes full circle. And she said it just with this matter-of-fact voice, but I could see in her eyes that she was sad that she wouldn't be able to see my daughter become my age and grow up. She always talks about how she wants to stay here as long as she can and take the best care of herself that she can so that she can watch my daughter grow. And it just inspires me. It inspires me to want to be a better person, to want to take better care of myself, because someday I'm going to be in her shoes and I'm going to want to watch my great-granddaughter grow up. But that's not to be. It's not to be. We can't keep the ones that we love. We can't keep them here as much as we'd like to. We can't. We have to let them go. And today, as I was pondering all of these things, I wanted to just share my thoughts and my heart. When I do, it seems that it always helps people as I'm kind of working through something and talk through something with myself. And so I just wanted to share some of these thoughts with you today because life is short. It's short and it's beautiful. It's profoundly sad, but it's beautiful. We should live every single day to the fullest. You know, they say like live like you're dying and live every day like it's your last, but we don't really do that. We don't live every moment. We let so many moments pass us by. We let so many things go unfinished, undone, unsaid. So today, I was encouraged to remember the people that I love and to remember not to let those moments pass me by, because they only come once. We have one lifetime to live, and once it's gone, it's gone. And my grandmother is standing toward the end of hers, and Lord, I pray it's a long time before that happens, but she is standing toward that end, and she's looking back on her life. And as we've stayed with her more often here lately, I can see her reflecting on her life, and I can see her thinking about the choices she made, the decisions she couldn't change, her regrets in life, her just all these things she's kind of been bringing up just randomly. And it makes me, in seeing that, want to make better choices for myself and for my daughter. And I can see, I guess in a way, where I'll be standing someday, or hope to stand someday. You know, we all hope that we live a long and prosperous life, but I mean, some of us make it and some of us don't, and that's just reality. But if we are blessed to become 81, like my grandmother, then if we make the best decisions we can today, when we get to that age, we can look back and not have as many regrets. I'm only 29, and there are so many things I wish I could change. I have many regrets. There are many things that I wish I hadn't said, or people I would have hugged more, or people I would have stayed away from. There are all sorts of things, even in my short 29 years, that I wish I could change. And so seeing her in this reflective point in her life and sharing that experience with her makes me want to make the next 60 years, 70 years, whatever, the best. Makes me want to live every day in a way that I can be proud of. So that when I am 81, I can look back and smile like she does. She has many more things to smile about than she has regrets. And though I know that there will still be mistakes, there are still things that I'll do that I'll be like, what in the world were you thinking, girl? But at the end, I want to smile more than cry. And thinking about the end makes me want to be a better person today. So I don't know if that makes any sense to anyone, but I'm going to throw this out in YouTube land and hope it helps someone. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, for clicking on my video and being here with me. I hope that today and tomorrow and for the rest of your life and mine, that we make the best choices possible. Sometimes we make the best decisions we can and we still regret them. Sometimes they're still not the right choice. But it's better that we try. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm recording this tonight. You guys will see it tomorrow. Have a wonderful day tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Have a great rest of your week. I'll catch you in the next one, friends. Bye.